Oh shoot! Oh my fucking god! Oh, that scared me so bad.
I can't see the fireworks. I'm going back inside. BRB, I'm going inside, guys. Sorry, but not 4th of July. But it's an early video. It's an early video, guys. So happy early 4th of July. Sorry, it's not the day of 4th of July. This is July 3rd. Tomorrow I'm going to the water park. Sorry, can't film anything. Where are you two going? Yo, dangerous! Hold on. Sorry, guys. This is the best view I can get. Enjoy the fireworks, everyone. Oh, can't zoom in, everyone. So sorry for that, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the fireworks. I'm enjoying them. Hopefully. To Gaming Chew, I hope you love this. I mean, I'm upstairs right now, as you can see here. But the fireworks right now are beautiful to where I am right now. It's pretty. Guys, I can't explain this. Choo-choo's coming. The fireworks right now are beautiful. Sorry, some started a few minutes ago, and I wasn't recording.
I saw a couple of them.
But it's very beautiful. Woo!
Oh,
I am at my
that one like
house.
Jacko Bomb. That explosion.
Look at this. I will be recording more things on this channel.
Whoa, that kind of felt like
Can you hold the camera?
me?
Yes.
I don't know where I'm looking at. Oh, there you go. That's beautiful.
For some reason, my other camera wasn't charging.
Wow. Kind of looks amazing. Look at that.
You'll be filming on my
Oh my god. I can see some.
I had 9 minutes and 7 seconds on this one. Sorry, guys. It's extremely dark on this one. But I hope
On
you
this
guys-
one, it kind of looks like it's about to be morning eventually.
Fireworks. Everyone enjoying
Do you
the
see
fireworks?
those 2 dots? You can see it on mine. Kind of looks like one dot. If you can see it, if you look off your camera, you can actually see it. Can you see it?
Fireworks are beautiful, guys.
Kind of. On this one right now, it kind of looks like it's morning. Kind of looks like it's kind of getting morning.
I'm not filming this in the morning. I'm filming this as night.
Yeah.
It just looks morning on the
And if you want to know what that dot is right now, that's an airplane. Just to let you know.
Oh, that's on the sky. But this is beautiful, everyone. I'm gonna stop filming on this one. Sorry.
Oh my god.
You can watch the rest of this on my second channel. Bye.
Amazing.
This is beautiful, everyone. I hope you all are enjoying the fireworks.
When does it happen? On June what?
It's not July 4th, everyone. Sorry. It is July 3rd. Damn.
Wait, it's always supposed to happen on July 4th?
Hold on. Hold this camera for a bit.
Is this always supposed to happen on July 4th?
I guess. Keep the fireworks. I'll be right back, everyone.
Okay, Toxic Gaming is, he's getting out of the room for a little, so Choo Choo's gonna have to deal with everyone right now. Holy frick. That was amazing. They kind of look like sparkly things on the camera. Sorry if I accidentally said camera wrong. This is amazing. Today I was just watching Big Hero 6. Like, it just ended. Like right now. I think it's on the credits of Big Hero 6 right now.
Yes.
Oh, so whoever wants to watch Big Hero 6, I'm so sorry because you missed it. It was a sad movie at somewhere near the end because Hero had to leave Baymax. It was so sad. I almost felt like crying.
How
But
many minutes on the video are we at? We're at 5.
oh, why aren't you holding the camera? Because I'm kinda.
I'll be right back.
Okay, right now Foxy Gaming is going to the bathroom, and I feel like going to the bathroom as well. Ah, too much wind. Oh God. Sounded like thunder. But this is kind of awesome. I think this is supposed to happen on June. Oh. Oh, those sounds were freaking awesome.
It sounded like gunshots from the bathroom. Sorry.
Sorry if you heard, isn't that sound awesome? Can't you hear it?
Yeah.
The fire. Okay, I kind of saw a firework.
Huh?
Yeah, un poquito.
It smells like smoke.
Oy, it smells kind of like gas.
Boom. Oh.
Kind of sounds like static. Oh, I wish we could see this more up in person. Last time the thunder was so loud. It wasn't really thunder, it was just the fireworks. No,
Hopefully y'all
when we
enjoyed
were
the
doing
fireworks.
the Freddy thing, the Freddy plush series, it went like. Oh yeah, we canceled that video. Sorry everyone. We couldn't do it today. We're gonna need it on the big screen, but we don't have the big screen.
All right, I shall be filming a FNAF plushie adventure video.
So, it's not on my first channel. What are you gonna be doing? Okay, whatever. He's going to get something. Was that like a firework? Oh well. Doesn't matter. Hey, if you. Whoa. Wow. These sounds kind of remind me of a Jacko bomb. But if you say that it doesn't sound like it doesn't matter. Whoa. Kind of looked white. If it's not.
Hear those gigantic boom sounds from that room.
Damn. Everything looks white when it's not. Probably this one's just lighter. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Those ones like flowing everywhere where they want to. Oh my god, why are fireworks so beautiful? Where's my light? It kind of looks light on the camera right now. For some reason. Oh. You guys heard that, right? You heard that. Kind of sounded like a bird. Oh. Or a bat. Kind of sounded like a bat. I think bats are out here right now. What if one just crashed into my window? That would be creepy. Actually, I would like to.
Sitting at the FNAF plushie.
Okay.
For the video.
Hold
I'm
up.
recording 2 different videos at the same time.
Hold up. I need more chica. There we go. Okay, sorry guys that I kinda didn't let you look at it. Because I was trying to put something down. For separate reasons. Sorry. I think Fireflies come out at this time.
Not too sure.
Woohoo. Sorry guys. Just like doing that. Did you freaking guys see that? Kind of looked like a bat. I saw something. I saw something fly across. And there's another freaking plane. Was that a shoe? Is that a star? Nope, it's moving. It's an airplane.
Alright, everyone.
Did you watch?
Start the FNAF plushie episode. So, thanks for watching the fireworks with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh my God, my hands were